Okay, hello everyone. So today I'm going to do a unboxing video on this. Now what is this? This is another handheld driver. This is an IKEA one. I've been using this for close to maybe 6 years actually. This one, the previous one I've been using for maybe 4 years. This one I repaired for a few times. The trigger actually sometimes doesn't respond like this. Doesn't respond, so actually I try and service this, but I cannot get it to fix anymore. Plus even the switch I cannot find it anymore, so I'm gonna lay this to rest. I'm gonna salvage the parts, then we move on to this guy. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly open up. What I got is an INGCO driver. Okay. Why do I get this is because they use USB-C to actually charge. Let me see, Li-ion battery and torque setting, so it can go up to 6 Newton. All right, okay, let's open it up. Very nice box, looks very premium. What does it come with? Number one, it comes in a bag. This box. All right, so this is the manual. Yes, voltage 8 volts, hex shank 1/4 inch, 220 rpm, max torque is 6 Newton. Then torque setting 15 plus 1. I'm not so sure about the 15 plus 1, so let's just give it a go first. Okay, so I'm gonna open the bag. This is the new driver. What else? A couple of beads and drill bit. Okay, they give you a few. They give you a Philip and a minus, as well as a hex shank to go with the driver. Okay, so the thing about this guy is you can actually twist it to make it long, like that. You can use it in this orientation, all right, or you can use it like a gun. So it's similar like my old driver, but a lot more power. Okay, so I'm gonna try this and see if it's any better. Okay, very comfortable. It feels very quieter than this guy. It feels like this guy has more power, this guy, but I think it's because of the torque setting. So I'm going to move it to 15 and see if it's any better. Okay, the other thing is the quick release. This is one of the things that I was looking for as well, because this guy sometimes they will drop off, the bit will drop off. And LED, all right, LED, so you can light up the area. Okay, like I mentioned before, how you charge this is via USB-C. Let's just give it a try and see how it holds up when it's drilling through something. Okay, I'm gonna drill through. Let's just check it out. Oh, okay, that's reverse. That's forward and reverse, by the way. Okay, so I drilled the hole. Let's see on the higher torque, is it any better? Okay, not a lot of difference, but typically with torque I need to do more testing. Let me just try with a proper driver. This is an INGCO driver, impact driver. Okay, let's get to use a screw. How well it screws in. Alright. Just taking a random screw bit here and a random screw. Okay, let's just give it a go. Ooh, kinda like it. Let's try with the orientation change. So on reverse. Alright, that's pretty cool. It's quite grippy in that sense that the bit isn't going anywhere once it's in place. Kinda like it. It feels good in the hand. It's very well balanced. It can be a bit top heavy, but mainly because of the orientation. The handle is pretty much just the battery compartment and the switch, but a lot more of the components are actually at the top portion here at the head. So the motor and everything is right on top. That's why it's a bit top heavy, but comparing to this guy, it's actually around the same weight. Okay, all in all, I think this is a good substitute to this guy. Okay, this is definitely has a lot more options to play with in terms of torque. Features wise, there's a light, there's a quick lock, together with the orientation change, so straight or pistol grip. Then the forward and reverse, and the switch is quite big as well, so it's quite comfortable. Okay, so charging wise also is very convenient right now. Every device that comes out in the market, usually they will use USB-C. Okay, so yeah, all in all, I think this is a good purchase. If you want to get one, there will be a link below. So far, if you are looking for one, I would recommend one of these. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Hope you like the video. Bye bye.